So find the remainder when f of x equals 4x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus x squared plus 3x minus 15 is divided by x minus 1 using the remainder theorem. So remainder theorem, I'm just going to find the remainder when I use synthetic division. If this is what I'm dividing by, so that's x minus 1. So that means my factor is going to be plus 1. And then I'm going to take my coefficients for each term. So that's 4, negative 2, 1, 3, negative 15. Pull down the 4, that's going to be my first. So 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 2 and plus 4 is positive 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Negative 15 plus 6 is negative 9. My remainder is negative 9, so that is my answer. So it would be the same thing if I plugged 1 into this equation.